A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When people tell lie pound and do no all kind of bad thing, uno complain and cuss and carry on bad, or uno jump up and down and give thanks to God. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, now the best time. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 5 from verse 1 to verse 12. When Jesus see the crowd of people them, him go upon the mountain, go sit down, and him follower them come to him. Him open up him mouth and start to teach them. And this him say, all of you when know say you need God in a every way. God bless you. Because the good sitting them where God give, when him rule people life in a every way, you go get them. All of who are ball now, God bless them. Because the time go come when God go hush them and make them happy again. All of who humble themselves, God bless them. Because you see the earth, and them people there, I go come get it. Who want do it right in a God eye so bad that it come like say, I dead them are dead for hungry. And then throat dry. Like say, they no drink water how long. God bless you no. Because you know get your belly full. You know we pardon people. God bless you no. Because you go pardon you know too. All who hungry want to do the sitting them will make God happy. God bless you no. Because one day, you know go get to see God. God bless all who help people to live in a peace. Because of people like them there, gotta go call fame picnic them. The people them where other people make suffer. Just cause them live, oh God want people to live. God bless you no. Cause the good sitting them where God give, when he run people life, oh him want run it, and them sitting there, you know I go get. God bless you no. When people shame you no, when they make you no suffer, and when they say all kind of wicked sitting about you no, when not true. But say it just cause you no follow me. Make yourself happy when they sit there happen to no. Jump up and down with joy in our heart. Cause enough good sitting put on in a heaven for no. As same so, they used to treat God prophet them when they there before uno come. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.